This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pam Charron. Carefree living in this 2017 built, single-family home with all the benefits of living in a maintenance-free condo community. A welcoming front screen porch and a well-thought-out floor plan with 2 to 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, all on one level. This spacious front den has a nice-sized closet and nearby bath, perfect for a third bedroom, den or office. Immaculate condition, with impact glass windows and many lovely features such as a fabulous kitchen with breakfast nook and built-ins, separate oven and cooktop, under and over cabinet lighting, pantry and more. Tasteful decor with today's styling including plantation shutters and windows, soft color palette, plus lighter granite tops and cabinetry. The en-suite owner's retreat has 2 walk-in closets, dual sinks and large tiled shower. From the great room, with plenty wall space for a large television, the pocketing sliders lead to an oversized screen lanai with beautiful views of the lake beyond. Feeling social? A variety of memberships available at the Plantation Golf and CC, only 1.5 miles from home, with everything from 36 holes golf, with reciprocal play, Olympic-sized pool, 13 tennis courts, dining, fitness, bocce and pickleball, and a packed full social schedule too. Venice Beach, a 15 minutes car ride. Act now and start enjoying the best of Florida living. More photos soon. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Charron at 941-993-3388.